Yeah.
Right. Good evening, one of you. You're most welcome to the Devduti online series. And today is our, I should say, 97th session. We've already done 96 sessions. And every day we try to bring in new speakers who can tell us different things. And I must tell you something about Devduti here, because Devduti Foundation is a foundation which is doing a lot of socio-cultural work. We are doing a lot of social activities like we have a roti bank, we have a humanitarian bank where we do a lot of social work, and then we do some cultural activities as well. So, and this organization was started by Sapna Khandelwal ji and Vanna Gupta. So Sapna ji, I'm sure everybody knows both of them. Sapna ji is doing a session every Thursday, so do try to log in every Thursday if you want to see her and meet her. I must say you must see her and meet her. And for today, we have Sejal. Sejal is a makeup artist, and she has been taking a lot of classes, and she was an air hostess. I gave an introduction of hers to everyone, but I will still repeat. She was an air hostess, and last 4 years, she's been passionate about the makeup. So she's become a makeup artist, and she's doing a lot of bridal and the families and everybody. So we requested her to show her makeup on, on a not younger skins, because there are a lot of issues with us. जो छोटे बच्चे हैं ना वो तो कर लेते हैं सब. प्रॉब्लम होती है हम लोगों को कहाँ से लाइंस छुपानी है, कहाँ से डार्क सर्कल्स छुपाने हैं. So that's why we have invited Sejal today. So welcome Sejal, and off to you for the session today.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for such a wonderful introduction.
Sejal, just a second. I will welcome
And
Varnadi.
you've already said it all. So
Sejal, just a second. Sejal, just
yeah, sure.
Varnadi, welcome to the session. We have been waiting for you.
Sorry, dear Miko, I had to adjust all my setting because I'm having a lot of back problem.
Not a problem.
So I got a bit late. Welcome Sejal, and thank you Srajna. तुमने हाँ मोर्चा बहुत अच्छी तरह संभाल रखा है. So all the dear viewers, welcome to another beauty session of Devduti Foundation. हम मन से तो सब सुंदर हैं ही, और तन हमारा सबका अच्छा है. It's just the way we present it. Frowning face होगा तो कभी भी मेकअप भी नहीं अच्छा लगेगा. तो keep smiling with Devduti. Welcome aboard. Like the air hostess always say, welcome aboard. I'm saying welcome here, Sejal. So to Sejal, please take. हमें टिप्स दो, हमें भी कैसे अपनी लाइंस छुपानी है, आईब्रोज ठीक करनी है.
Thank you so much. Shraddha ji has already given such a wonderful introduction, so I will not waste any more time talking about me, because I'm already associated with Devduti and India Sari Challenge for last 1 year, and some people do know me. So we will talk about what we are here for. The first thing, I bought this T-shirt. I wanted to show you all. It says "Be your kind of beautiful." So this is what I believe in life, that every woman is beautiful, and you just have to accentuate. And when we see in the mirror, we should always try to see the beauty that there is. And as in how the session goes, we will discuss about things that we can do with different age groups, so that we can enhance our beauty. We have Udita with me today, and she is our model for the session as it was requested. And she is also a teacher by profession. Very hectic schedule with mother of 2 kids. I'm sure she also doesn't have the time so much to take care of herself. But as in how we proceed, we will see how with minimum products and less time we can beautify ourselves. So I just wanted to know, and because we have so many participants here, first of all, thank you all for joining in and taking out your time for this session. What kind of makeup would you all like to see? Whether like a daily look, daily wear makeup, or shall we do something more party wear? So I would like to hear it, so that then accordingly we'll do the eye makeup and everything. जैसा आप लोग चाहेंगे, we'll try to do something like that.
I think everybody can put in the chat box what kind of makeup you want.
That will be nice. Daylight makeup.
So daily look, Sejal, that is everybody saying.
Minimalistic. Okay. Okay. Fine. ठीक है. So let me just not waste any more time because I am a chatter and I can go on and talk like for hours. But I want everybody to take back a lot of information and learnings. We will start with the first thing, which is a prerequisite for makeup for good skin. Now, as a flight attendant, I used to wear a lot of makeup and really did not take care of my skin. Even now, if you can see, I have a little, a lot of marks here on my skin. But since the time I've become a makeup artist, I have really I take out at least 5 times, 5 minutes in the morning and night, and I do something that is called CTM. CTM means cleansing, toning, moisturizing. You can also let me know if you would prefer me to use Hindi or English because I'm comfortable in both the languages. As per the audience, I will use that kind of a language.
Sejal, one thing, तो हमें आपका चेहरा पूरा नहीं दिख रहा है. We want to see while you are talking. Also we would prefer Hindi and English mixed. मतलब total English भी नहीं बोलो, मिला जुला जो हमारा रोज का language होता है वैसे.
ठीक है. Okay. एक और चीज. हाँ, तो आगे काम करिए. मैं और थोड़ा आगे ले जाती हूँ.
आगे मुझे लगता है कैमरा यू नीड टू सेट.
चेस्ट को अंदर कर देते हैं.
Just position it.
Better है? Is it better now? Is it better? Thumbs up. Just give me a thumbs up if it is better now. Yes, good. So I'm using Cetaphil. This is a cleanser. This is for all skin types, and it is a cleanser for sensitive skin as well. Easily available at any drugstore or any chemist shop. We will just take a coin size. जैसे 50 पैसा coin होता था, उतना मैं amount ले रही हूँ. Udita's skin doesn't have anything right now. She's just washed her face at home. ये सिर्फ अपना face wash करके आए हैं, उनके face पे कुछ भी नहीं. तो हम सबसे पहले cleansing करेंगे. ये एक step हम लोग मेकअप के पहले भी करते हैं. जब मैं प्रोफेशनली काम करती हूँ तो हम CTM जरूर करते हैं. CTM के बाद ही हम कोई भी मेकअप एप्लीकेशन करते हैं. उससे आपकी जो स्किन होती है एंड प्रोडक्ट का जो लेयरिंग होता है दैट इज वेरी गुड. तो जब भी आपको मेकअप करना है यू शुड ऑलवेज मेक श्योर दैट आपकी स्किन क्लीन है एंड प्रॉपर्ली टोन्ड एंड मॉइस्चराइज है. तो मैं ये जितना मैंने लिया था मॉइस्चराइजर क्लेंजर, इसको मैं फेस पे स्मॉल डॉट्स में अप्लाई कर रही हूँ और ऐसे upward and outward motions में only with my fingers. See, it's our face. The skin is very delicate and supple, so we can't do kapde dhone wala that action. We have to be very, very, very gentle. So we just use our fingertips like this. And now I'm taking any regular wipe. When we are at home, जब हम घर पे होते हैं, तो हमने नॉर्मल टैप वाटर से स्प्लैश करके इस क्लेंजर को हटाना है. राइट नाउ एट द स्टूडियो द फॉसेट इज फार अवे, अदरवाइज वी वुड हैव स्प्लैश्ड वाटर एंड उससे हम ये क्लेंजर को निकालते. क्लेंजर को हम उतना ही मसाज करते हैं जिससे प्रोडक्ट जो क्लेंजर है वो स्किन में अब्सॉर्ब ना हो जाए. इट शुड बी देयर. इट इज ओनली टू रिमूव एनी काइंड ऑफ डर्ट फ्रॉम द फेस एंड प्रिपेयर द स्किन फॉर मेकअप. तो मैंने उदिता की स्किन को प्रॉपर्ली क्लीन कर लिया है और अब मैं ले रही हूँ दिस इज डाबर गुलाबरी. बहुत सारे अलग अलग ब्रांड्स के भी टोनर्स आते हैं, आप कोई भी यूज कर सकते हैं. आई प्रेफर टू यूज दिस. आई यूज दिस ऑन माई क्लाइंट्स एज वेल एंड आई यूज दिस फॉर माई सेल्फ. हम इसको एक आर्म विड्थ डिस्टेंस पे रख के फिर स्प्रे करते हैं लाइक दिस 4-5 बार. अगर आपके पास स्प्रे बॉटल ना हो तो आप एक कॉटन वूल लेके उसमें आप गुलाब जल या कोई भी टोनर जो आप यूज करते हो वो आप ले सकते हो और उससे आप कॉटन से डैबिंग मोशन में. मेकअप गुड एप्लीकेशन के लिए वी शुड नेवर रब, चाहे वो फाउंडेशन हो या मॉइस्चराइजर हो, वी शुड ऑलवेज यूज पैटिंग मोशन. तो गुलाब जल अगर आप कॉटन से लगा रहे हैं तो भी आपने ऐसे पैटिंग मोशन में ही इसको अब्सॉर्ब कराना है. जब इनकी स्किन अभी भी हल्की सी वेट है उसी टाइम पे मैं इनकी स्किन को मॉइस्चराइज करूंगी. आपको अपनी स्किन को आइडेंटिफाई करना बहुत जरूरी है कि आपकी स्किन ड्राई है या ऑयली है। कई लोग होते हैं वो कहते हैं हमको मेकअप सूट नहीं करता, हमारे फाउंडेशन में क्रैक हो जाती है, ये हो जाता है, हमारे लिए बना ही नहीं है, क्योंकि आप कोई ना कोई प्रोडक्ट ऐसे यूज कर रहे होगे जो आपके स्किन टाइप का नहीं हो। तो सबसे पहले हमने आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि हमारी स्किन टाइप क्या है, ऑयली है, ड्राई है, कॉम्बिनेशन है। उसी के हिसाब से हम फिर अपने प्रोडक्ट्स पिक करते हैं। और इंडिया में हमारे पास वेदर भी इतना अलग रहता है कि हमको उसको भी ध्यान में रखना जरूरी है। अब मैं ले रही हूँ, दिस इज अ मॉइस्चराइजर फ्रॉम बायोटिक, दिस इज फॉर ऑल स्किन टाइप्स एंड दिस इज लाइक वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट मॉइस्चराइजर्स बिकॉज ये हर वेदर में इट सूट्स माय स्किन एंड मोस्टली फॉर माय क्लाइंट्स आल्सो आई यूज दिस। अगेन आई एम टेकिंग अ स्मॉल अमाउंट। अगर आपकी स्किन ड्राई है तो लार्ज अमाउंट लेना नहीं है, हमको पहले एक स्मॉल अमाउंट लेना है। उसको हम जैसे हमने क्लेंजर लगाया था उसी तरह से अपने फेस पे हम लगाएंगे ऐसे डॉट्स में, और फिर हल्का सा हम इसको पैटिंग मोशन में ही अपने स्किन पे स्प्रेड करेंगे। नेवर रब, बिकॉज जब हम रब करते हैं तो हमारी स्किन सेंसिटाइज हो जाती है। एंड जिन लोगों को ब्लेमिशिंग की या फिर कोई भी रेडनेस होती है, कई लोगों को, किसी किसी को एक्ने मार्क्स होते हैं, अगर आप रब करोगे तो जो आपके वो ग्लैंड्स हैं वो और एक्टिव हो जाएंगे एंड दे विल बिकम मोर फ्लश्ड एंड दे विल बी रेड। तो very gently, like patting motions, I'm applying the moisturizer. So this is the first step for makeup, pre-makeup and post-makeup also. This is exactly how we remove our makeup also. हम मेकअप रिमूवर प्रोडक्ट से आप अपना मेकअप हटा सकते हो। उसके बाद आपने क्लेंजिंग करनी है, टोनिंग करनी है, मॉइस्चराइजिंग करनी है। दिस CTM इज लाइक माय मंत्रा फॉर गुड स्किन, गुड मेकअप। So CTM हम भूल नहीं सकते। Everybody has to start doing CTM. Okay, so I have prepared Udita's skin. In my classes, I tell people that you should always do eyes first and then go to your face, because क्या होता है कई बार हम प्रोडक्ट्स ऐसे लेते हैं जिसमें फॉल आउट होता है। तो अगर हमने फाउंडेशन पहले लगा लिया और बाद में हमने कोई ऐसा प्रोडक्ट यूज किया जिसका सपोज मस्कारा है, वो आपका नीचे गिर गया, तो आपके फाउंडेशन के साथ मिक्स हो जाता है। So it's always better that you do your eyes first. Professionally also, there are two different school of thought. Some people do eyes first and some do the face first. I personally feel that it is always safe and it is, why to waste time in something and why to get into any kind of mess. So we'll start doing our eyes first. The first product that I'm taking is a brow kit. This is from Benefit. इस तरह के बहुत सारे और ऑल्टरनेटिव्स भी आते हैं मार्केट में, आजकल पेंसिल्स भी आती हैं। द ओनली की व्हेन यू पिक अप एन आईब्रो पेंसिल इज दैट इट शुड बी डार्क ब्राउन इन कलर। फॉर ऑल इंडियन स्किन टाइप्स एंड स्किन कलर, आई थिंक डार्क ब्राउन इज अ वेरी सेफ कलर। आपने वो एड देखा होगा वैस्मॉल केश काला का, उसमें जो बंदा होता है उसको सब चिढ़ाते हैं कि वो कौआ काला। तो that happens because if you take a black pencil and you draw your eyebrows and it becomes like Crude Singh या Basmol Kesh Kala. So I always recommend everybody go for the darkest brown color. अगर आप fair हैं तो go for medium brown. If you're a little towards a beige complexion, then you should pick for a dark brown. So I'll show you the shades. This is a gel. This is a powder. I prefer using this because इसमें I can कभी मुझे अगर heavy look चाहिए तो मैं जेल यूज कर सकती हूँ, कभी लाइट चाहिए तो मैं पाउडर बेस यूज कर सकती हूँ। एंड इस तरह का ब्रश होता है, दिस हैज एन एंगल। अगर आप पेंसिल खरीद रहे हैं तो पेंसिल्स यूजुअली आजकल ऐसे एंगुलर ही आती हैं और उनका जो बैक साइड होता है उसमें ऐसा एक ब्रश आता है, तो जिससे यू जस्ट कोम योर आईब्रोज व्हेन यू डू इट। कभी अगर ज्यादा डार्क हो गई तो इफ यू जस्ट ब्रश योर ब्राउज तो एक्सेस प्रोडक्ट हट जाता है। मेरे लिए doing my brows is like root touch up. I color my hair for like last 5-7 years. तो जैसे अगर eyebrows नहीं बनाती हूँ मैं तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है जैसे root touch up वाला टाइम होता है ना, वैसे I feel that. So you will really feel doing brows the right way will really reduce the number of years that reflects on our superficially. So I'm taking this brush, this is an angular brush, and I'm dipping it into the powder. Since we want a very natural and dewy kind of look, so we'll go for the powder. I'm just dipping it like this. अगर आप पेंसिल यूज कर रहे हैं तो आप बहुत हल्के हाथ से आप अपने आर्च से इनका अगर आप फेस देखेंगे तो दिस इज द आर्च ऑफ अवर ब्राउ. So we always start from here and then go to the front. So I will first do the arch of the brow like this. See, when I do the front of the brow, I am not using any. उसी से ही कर रही हूँ because मुझे चाहिए कि जो front है that should look very very light. It should not look very dark. Then it looks very done up kind. See, if you see the difference, this looks more defined. इनके भी threading नहीं हुई है, so we have a little extras here and there. But if you see the brow, this is more defined. So we've basically done like a root touch up kind of a thing. Now we've just touched up जहाँ जहाँ पे gaps हैं उनके brow में, उनको मैंने उस light brown color से I have filled up. So this is exactly how we do. And just for your information, for everyone, while I do the other one also, please see carefully. I also have a YouTube channel which I do for beginners. I am a professional makeup artist, but on my channel I do videos for beginners with very simple techniques and simple products, simple skills, and very easy language. So whatever I'll be showing here, for your reference, ever if you feel that you want to ask me, you can definitely get in touch. But on the YouTube channel also, all these tips are there. So see, we are being very, very light-handed. People who use pencils, just keep in mind that you have to use very, very gentle and very light strokes. अगर हम दबा के किसी पेंसिल को यूज करते हैं, जैसे स्कूल में कहते थे कि लाइट हैंड से लिखो, हैंडराइटिंग अच्छी आएगी. This is exactly like that. The harsher we use our brushes or pencils, the darker it's going to be. So we'll use very light hand and fill in the other brow also. Now, can you see the difference? So brows are clear. Can we go ahead? Okay, so next step to eye makeup. Common problems which people face कि eye makeup टिकता नहीं है, crease आ जाती है, हमारी puffy eyes हैं. We are very lucky. Udita, has very small eyes and small, and she's very beautiful, but she has small eye space. So we, it's a challenging eye space. A lot of people जिनकी बड़ी आँखें होती, like me, it's very easy. कुछ भी लगाया, and it's liner लगा लिया and we are ready to go. But people who have small eyes, उनको liner लगाने में problem होता है. उनका अगर शिमरी ज्यादा हो जाता है, अगर आप किसी लोकल या अनट्रेन्ड प्रोफेशनल से मेकअप कराओ तो वो चाइनीज लुक से सब डरते हैं कि यार चाइनीज नहीं लगना है हमको, तो उसके जो रीजंस हैं, आई विल बी शेयरिंग ऑल दैट बिकॉज वी हैव अ मॉडल who has just the perfect kind of features for all this. I'm using this product which is called an eye base. It is used for like a pre-step before doing eye makeup. Instead of this, we can also use a concealer. कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि हमारे पास में 36 प्रोडक्ट्स होने चाहिए. With less things also we can achieve a lot. So this is a professionally used product, eye base, but we can also use a concealer. So to apply it, we are just going to take a little on the fingers and apply it completely from the lashes to the eyebrow. We always have to cover the entire area. It's not just the socket or the eyelid that we have to cover. We have to cover the entire area. आई बेस हो या आपके लिक्विड कंसीलर्स होते हैं जो दे आर मैटिफाइंग प्रोडक्ट्स, ये आपके आईलिड्स को मैट बना देते हैं. हमारी जो आईलिड्स होती है दे आर वेरी वेरी ऑयली. So when we put powder products or any kind of glitter or shimmer, because of the oil mixing with the powder, after some time we have those creases. अगर हम एक कंसीलर लगा के या हम एक आई बेस यूज करके फिर हम कोई भी शैडो या कुछ भी आई मेकअप करते हैं, it's going to last longer. So see, I'm just covering her entire eye area from the lashes to the brow. Okay, so the next step is starting with the eye makeup. I'm using this is a Jaclyn Hill palette. I picked this one because इसमें बहुत neutral और wearable colors भी हैं जो usually लोग लगाना प्रेफर करते हैं. बहुत ज़्यादा कलर्स और इस तरह के शेड्स हर एक कोई कंफर्टेबल नहीं होता है. Usually Indian women and women especially about 40s, they prefer to wear the softer and neutral kind of colors. That's why I picked up this palette. Second tip for picking up a good eyeshadow kit is that you should always look for shadow kits which have matte and shimmer both, especially for people who have puffy eyes or who have less space on their eyelids. They should always go for more of matte kind of eyeshadows, or buy a kit which has both matte and shimmer. So this other companies maybe which have these kind of colors, so you can just have a look. These are all the transition colors, and these are the shimmer shades on the top line. So I'll be using colors basically from this. A small tip for beginners who are very new to makeup and maybe is their first class. I'll be using only maybe 2 brushes for eye makeup so that we keep it simple. ज़्यादा complicated हम कुछ करेंगे तो it creates anxiety also कि क्या किया. So I'm taking this brush. It is like a fluffy brush. जब भी आप अपना first brush eye makeup के लिए खरीदे, you should pick up a brush like this, which is slightly fluffy. It has density, and we will take a color like this, like a brown color. What I'm going to do is जो इनकी ये puffiness है, आपने contouring सुना है, I'm sure सबने सुना है contouring से हमारा face पतला हो जाता है. तो contouring हम उस area में करते हैं जिसको हमें थोड़ा दबाना होता है, हमें जिसे पतला दिखाना है. तो eyes में भी exactly वही चीज होती है. जो portion हमारा puffy है, हम उसमें कॉन्टोरिंग वाले जो शेड्स होते हैं वो ब्लेंड करते हैं, और जिस एरिया को हमको बड़ा दिखाना है उसमें हम अपने लाइट आई शैडोज यूज करते हैं. So I am taking that brown color and just pulling her brow a little and starting from the outer corner like this and like this in circular motion, and like how we do an ulta U or maybe like an igloo. That is the kind of shape that we have to blend this eyeshadow till the inner corner of her eye. Something like this. Exactly same we do the, if you open your eye, can you see जिसमें हमने eye base हमने brown shadow नहीं लगाया, this eye will look more puffy. And जिसमें मैंने जैसे ही brown matte eyeshadow blend किया है, it will look slightly less puffier than what it is. Again, the other eyelid. We always start blending from the outer corner, from where the eyebrow ends, from there to the inside. गुड मेकअप में हमेशा सारी ब्लेंडिंग या सारे प्रोडक्ट्स की लेयरिंग बाहर से अंदर की तरफ, इवन योर ब्लश, contour, everything should be from outside to inside. Then it looks more natural and it looks more nicely blended. हम जैसे ब्लश पुराने टाइम में ऐसे यहाँ से लगाते थे, so it will give that chubby cheek and rosy, that kind of a look. But if we do it the other way around, it makes our face look thinner also, and also it makes the makeup look more realistic. So see, again I'm taking the same brown eyeshadow and I'm just blending the shadow like this. Why am I repeating this? Because this is a very very important step in good eye makeup. Unless we do this, जब तक हम इस area को recess नहीं करेंगे, contour नहीं करेंगे, आपने अगर कुछ भी लगा लिया eyelid पे, वो दिखने नहीं वाला. So it's very important कि इस portion में हमने एक brown shadow लगाना है. अगर आप में से किसी को बहुत बड़े eyeshadow kits या इस तरह के products से you don't want to go, this is a very good product. This is called a Hoola bronzer. This we use professionally also. It is used for contouring. And इसका जो shade है, this is like a perfect shade for eye crease blending. This is a very very good shade. This is a similar shade what we have used. So even if you don't want to buy very fancy eye kits, this is a good product. This is like a 2-in-1 thing. It will give you face contouring also, and you can use it for eye makeup as well. तो ये हमने इनके eyelids को contour कर दिया है. Now I will take a lighter eyeshadow. So maybe because her sari has shades of golden, and this is how we pick up our makeup. This is how we plan our makeup also. आपके outfit से आप clues लेते हो कि आपके outfit में किस तरह के colors हैं. जरूरी नहीं है कि ग्रीन पहना है तो ग्रीन लगाना है आई पे। आप जो बॉर्डर पे कलर है, अगर आपके उसमें सिल्वर गोटा है या गोल्डन है, हम उस तरह के कलर्स को भी पिक कर सकते हैं। सो आई एम गोइंग टू पिक मे बी लाइक दिस कॉपरिश गोल्डनिश कलर and I'm using my fingers. This is the best way to apply eyeshadow. I'm going to pull her eyes. See, जैसे मैं pull करती हूँ ना, इनका जो सॉकेट है ये पूरा नजर आ रहा है, थोड़ा सा ज्यादा नजर आ रहा है। अगर मैं ऐसे छोड़ देती हूँ, अब अगर मैं लगाऊंगी तो वो प्रॉपरली लगेगा नहीं। तो जिनकी छोटी आईज है, आपने जब भी शैडो लगाना है, आप थोड़ा सा जैसे थ्रेडिंग के टाइम पे हम ये पुल करते हैं ना, वैसे आपने पुल करना है और ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ, like that. Then we cover a larger area and the product shows like this. ऊपर से नीचे. Are we able to see what I'm doing? Thumbs up. Yes. So again I'm pulling the second layer and अब अगर आपको इसमें I'm using a shimmer because shimmer से जिन लोगों की छोटी आईज होती है ना, वो लोग बहुत डरते हैं कि शिमर लगाने से हमारी बाकी हमारी चाइनीज लगने लग जाती है। बट हमको इस तरह से अगर हम शिमर लगाएंगे तो हमारी आईज में वो चाइनीज वाला लुक कभी भी नहीं आएगा। आपने इस वाले पोर्शन को, जो आपका सॉकेट है, सॉकेट के ऊपर वाले पोर्शन को आपने कॉन्टूर करना है और जो आईलिड है उस पे ही हमको ऐसे स्ट्रेच करके हमको कोई भी शिमर आई शैडो लगाना है। अब ये शिमर की जगह अगर मैं कोई भी मैट शेड में लाइट कलर लेती तो वो आपका डे मेकअप हो जाता है, या फिर मैं पूरे लिड पे ही कोई बहुत सॉफ्ट कलर्स को अगर हम ब्लेंड कर देते तो दैट बिकम्स लाइक अ डे मेकअप। इन फैक्ट वी कैन डू समथिंग लाइक दैट हियर। Now on this I'm applying a matte shadow, but the application technique is the same. अगर आईलिड का कलर हमें अलग दिखाना है, जो हमने कॉन्टूर पे किया है, जो क्रीज ब्लेंडिंग में हमने अभी किया था उससे, तो हमको आईलिड को ऐसे लिफ्ट करके फिर इस शैडो को अप्लाई करना। अगेन द सेम ब्रश, जब भी हम आई शैडो अप्लाई करते हैं उसके बाद वी हैव टू जस्ट अगेन क्विकली ब्लेंड सो दैट इट डजंट लुक कि अलग अलग लाइन बनाई हुई है आपने। जब भी हम आई शैडो आई मेकअप करते हैं ना, देयर इज ऑलवेज फॉल आउट। मैंने देखो कितने केयरफुली आई हैव ट्राइड टू डू, बट स्टिल देयर इज दिस मच अमाउंट ऑफ मेकअप। That is why I always recommend that do your eyes first. Otherwise, if we had done foundation for her skin, ये सारा प्रोडक्ट इनके यहाँ पर फॉल आउट होता है और वो हमारे बेस के साथ में मिक्स हो जाता है। Now the next thing is hack for people who are not very comfortable with liners, have small eyes. This kind of pencils, liners are available. ये इनकी स्केच पेन जैसी टिप होती है एंड बहुत पतला लाइनर इससे लग जाता है। जो लोग लिक्विड लाइनर यूज करते हैं, वन स्मॉल टिप फॉर देम, जब भी आप लाइनर लगाते हो जस्ट डिप इट इन द पॉट एंड एक्स्ट्रा हमेशा रिमूव करना चाहिए। लाइनर एप्लीकेशन में कॉमन मिस्टेक क्या होती है, लोग डिप करके सीधे लगाना शुरू करते हैं अंदर से और फिर वो यहाँ फैल जाता है और फिर वो पूरा उसको बराबर करने के चक्कर में हमारा पूरा लाइनर मोटा हो जाता है। सो इफ यू आर वांटिंग टू अचीव कि इनर कॉर्नर में आपका लाइनर पतला हो और बाहर मोटा हो, which is actually going to make your eyes look bigger, when we do patla, thinner in inner corner and thicker in outer corner, then you should always make sure that you wipe your tip before you place the brush here. Professionally what we do is हम हमेशा सेंटर से अप्लाई करना स्टार्ट करते हैं, बट जिनके हाथ पे ये सेट होता है ना कि यार हमको इनर कॉर्नर से ही सूट होता है, तो मेक श्योर दैट आपका ब्रश जो है उसमें बहुत कम से कम प्रोडक्ट हो, तभी आपका लाइनर पतला लगेगा। अदरवाइज यू विल एंड अप पुटिंग अ वेरी थिक लाइनर। For liner application also, there are two ways. Either you can stretch like this, which a lot of people do, or you can stretch like this. I suggest ऐसे, because क्या होता है, जैसे वो when you pull like this, when you are applying the liner, it looks very thin, you know, but the skin is completely stretched. जब आप उसे छोड़ते हो तो वो जो thin दिख रहा होता है, it appears, it becomes thicker. And when you hold the lid like this, then the liner is exactly what it looks like. छोड़ने के बाद भी वो वैसा ही होगा जैसा आपने एप्लीकेशन के टाइम लगाया. बेसिकली वो कपड़े सुखाने की रस्सी होती है ना. My examples are very related with daily things. उसको आप जब बांधते हो तो वो पूरी लंबी होती है, पर उसे आप खोल दो तो वो श्रिंक हो जाती है. तो अगर ऐसे स्ट्रेच करके हम लाइनर लगाते हैं तो एग्जैक्टली वही चीज हो जाती है. तो आई एम अप्लाइंग लाइनर लाइक दिस फॉर उदिता. When we hold it like that, it's in from the inner corner, stretch it like that, then it would be even, and उनका पूरा eyelid जो है वो सिर्फ लाइनर से ही कवर हो गया होता. लाइनर अलग से फिर और आई शैडो अलग नजर नहीं आता है. I'm going to do it the other way also. Okay, ladies, just in case we run short of time and I'm not able to answer any these questions, please feel free to get in touch with me. My number is there on the creative, or you can inbox me on Facebook. I do counseling with a lot of passion and joy. There's no charge involved with it. Any consultation regarding products that you all need, I am always there. The benefit of using this is, again, for beginners, this is like an instant dry liquid liner, especially the Lakme one. वो इतना like sometimes people who have small eyes close the lid and then we have to do a smoky eye look instead of doing a gold shimmer. So sketch pens are very good. Otherwise, you can. There's one more thing. See how open your eyes. So it's thin from the inside and thick from the outside. थोड़ा सा इनके outer corner में ज़्यादा लग गया है. जिनकी puffy eyes हैं या छोटी eyes हैं, आपको eye shape भी आपका देखना है कैसा है. कई लोगों के eyes में से droop होता है. Wing liner या उस तरह के complicated liner applications try करोगे, it will never suit you. So make sure that the kind of eye makeup also you're doing, you know what kind of eye shape you have. Once you identify that, there are several people who are doing so many videos on YouTube specifically for different eye shapes. So you can refer to that and see. So now, very important thing is mascara. A lot of women skip this thing, but I highly recommend using mascara because when we do eye makeup, there is a lot of fallout on the lashes. So already lashes हम सबकी कम है, जो बची हुई हैं उनको भी अगर हम enhance नहीं करेंगे तो फिर वो बिल्कुल दिखेगा ही नहीं कुछ भी. इसलिए it's important. Tip for applying mascara for people who are scared कि इधर उधर लग जाएगा. When you do your upper lash, then do your chin up like this. When you do chin up, then the eye socket goes back. And when you're doing a mascara, वो कभी भी आपका लगेगा नहीं. And when you do your lower lash line, then do chin down. So chin up for upper lash and chin down for your lower lash. This is for people who are scared. Udita, you are scared?
Yeah, of course.
She's doing makeup after her marriage, and she was very anxious. And I told her that it's a wonderful group. You'll be very comfortable and we'll really enjoy. So see, I'm just pulling her eyelid. आप नीचे देखो. See, lash curling also a lot of people do, but I feel that you need a lot of practice for that. अगर आप right technique से mascara भी apply करते हो ना, it really helps. And lash curling can be skipped. बहुत लोगों को डर भी लगता है कि यार eyelid ना आ जाए हमारी या लग ना जाए, because eyes like are the key feature, to see this beautiful world and to do so many more things. So though her eyelashes are very less, but still when we do the mascara, then whatever lashes are there, वो दिखती हैं, वो accentuate हो जाती हैं. So stretch your lid like that, or what I said, chin up and chin down. Upper lash, you do chin up, and lower lash, you do chin down. Please share liner name. Okay, the liner. I'm sorry, because I'm a little occupied doing the demo and talking to you all. I've not read the questions, but I will definitely answer all the
Sejal, there right now there are
questions as in
there are
how
no
we can. The liner that I used, huh?
there are no questions right now, so you can keep going.
Carry on. Okay, good. Thank you so much. So this is the upper eyelid we've covered. Now one more thing for the upper eyelid eye makeup is that we need to apply highlighter. हमने brows बना दी, हमने eye shadow लगा लिया, हमने eye को contour कर दिया ताकि हमारी eye बड़ी लगे. Liner, mascara, everything is done. Now highlighting, we take these kind of colors. The shimmer, the light colors. We should avoid using any of these kind of colors. These are like perfect colors for highlighting. So I'm taking this one and in my finger only. What I'm trying to say is that fingers are the best tools. Lot of and most of the makeup can be done using only fingers. So we don't need to buy, for self makeup especially, we don't need to have like those fancy so many brushes कि ये सब होगा तो ही makeup अच्छा होगा. ऐसा नहीं है. Fingers are like magic tools and they can really work wonders if we know what to put where and how to do it. You see, I have applied highlighter where I started from the arch to the tail and now I am blending it. We must never apply highlighter in the front because what highlighter does is it's going to pull your eyebrow up. Everybody wants to look pulled up. लोग artificially भी करवाते हैं. अगर हम यहाँ front में highlighter लगाते हैं तो हमारा ये चीज भी lift up हो जाएगा. And we don't want that. We want the tail of the brow to be lifted up. So for that, we should apply highlighter from the arch of the brow till the tail of the brow. Exactly like this. So we do it on the other side as well. She has a little hair growth here, so highlighter application उतना शायद enhance होके दिखेगा नहीं, but still it is a part of makeup, eye makeup. So now we'll go to the face first. As we touch our 35s to 45s, this age group में pigmentation, wrinkling, dry skin, बहुत सारे problems set in होते हैं. And women start getting into this thing कि यार अब हमें कुछ तो थोड़ा सा ऐसा करना है जिससे ये ना दिखे और हमारी problems जो हैं ये थोड़ी सी subside हो जाए. First thing, we must start taking care of our skin the earliest we can. I recommend girls who are even 20, 22 कि आप CTM करो. भले ही makeup लगाओ या ना लगाओ, but CTM is something very important. So CTM is something at any age you must start immediately. Okay, हमने इनकी skin को क्लेंस टोन और मॉइस्चराइज कर दिया था. अगर आपकी स्किन ऑयली है या आपकी स्किन पे मेकअप टिकता नहीं है, आपको बहुत ज्यादा पसीना आता है, वेदर्स लाइक मॉनसून एंड समर्स, आप मॉइस्चराइजर लगाने के पहले जस्ट टेक 2-3 आइस क्यूब्स इन अ हैंकरचिफ और एनी टिश्यू नैपकिन एंड अप्लाई इट लाइक एन आइस पैक ऑन योर स्किन. जब वो उसका जो वाटर है वो आपका हट जाता है, उसके बाद आप मॉइस्चराइजर लगाओ और फिर आप अपना मेकअप करो. Your makeup is not going to move even if you dance in hot summers. It's going to be intact. This is my personal experience. I have super oily skin and summers में बहुत डर लगता था कि पता नहीं ऐसा ना हो बाहर जाते ही cracks आ जाएं, ये हो जाए. But if you apply an ice pack before you do your makeup, if your skin is oily or in weathers when it is very, very hot, so that really helps. So we'll go to the skin. She has a little pigmentation slowly building up here. If you can see, यहाँ पर है हल्का and some spots here, not that much. Otherwise, her skin is quite clear. Primer के बारे में भी कई लोग पूछते हैं कि primer लगाना चाहिए कि नहीं. Personally, I feel that primer is like not an essential, especially for daily makeup. If you layer your moisturizer and your foundation well, then we can really achieve a very flawless kind of a look. Primer is basically not needed so much. I'm going to be using a professional technique. So all those people who have dark circles, who have any kind of pigmentation, who have uneven skin tone, please watch carefully what I'm going to do. because this is like a magic technique, and if you practice it and master it well, you can really achieve a very flawless kind of a complexion. Thank you. Okay, I just got the compliment from the lady who I admire, Sapna ji. This is a orange color corrector. Orange color corrector. Orange color will always cancel out any kind of uneven tone and darkness in our skin. So Udita has slight pigmentation here and she is pretty fair. So I will not use too much. I will just जितनी राई होती है बस उतना ही सी I'm going to take in my hand like couple of छोटे छोटे राई के दाने बस उतना ही because ये बहुत हाईली पिगमेंटेड प्रोडक्ट होता है. दिस इज फ्रॉम LA गर्ल प्रो कंसीलर. इस ऑरेंज कलर करेक्टर भी बोलते हैं, बहुत सारे अलग अलग कंपनीज में भी आता है. दिस इज अ वेरी गुड प्रोडक्ट बिकॉज इट डजंट मूव फ्रॉम इट्स प्लेस, बट द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज वी हैव टू ब्लेंड इट वेरी फास्ट. सो आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग इट एंड स्लाइटली अप्लाइंग इट. तो ऑरेंज का मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि हमको हनुमान जी जैसा पूरा ऑरेंज बनाना है. वी हैव टू प्लेस इट एंड बस हल्का हल्का जहां भी आपको डार्कनेस है वहां पर इसको हमें हल्का सा लेयर करना है. सी आई एम अगेन यूजिंग माय फिंगर ओनली एंड विथ माय फिंगर आई एम ब्लेंडिंग दिस. एंड वन मोर थिंग, लॉट ऑफ पीपल फियर कि यार ये ऑरेंज ऐसा ना हो कि हमारे फाउंडेशन के थ्रू भी दिखेगा. तो अगर दिख रहा है इसका मतलब आपने ज्यादा लगा दिया है, और अगर आपके डार्क सर्कल्स या पिगमेंटेशन दिख रही है ऑरेंज कलर करेक्टर लगाने के बाद भी, इसका मतलब आपने जो लगाया था आपने उसको ओवर ब्लेंड कर दिया है. तो द आइडिया इज टू गेट दैट परफेक्ट तड़का. इफ वी से इन द कुकिंग लैंग्वेज फॉर होम मेकर्स, यू हैव टू गेट दैट परफेक्ट blend, the perfect amount which is required for the kind of darkness that you have. Udita has very less, that's why I'm using very less amount. And I'm just see, I'm again using my thumb and I'm blending this away. Now she has flat circles, not zyada nahi hai. We can skip the orange corrector on her under eyes and straight go for a foundation. But just to show how to do it, if anyone who has dark circles, I'll just do it on her. आपको पता है? Just apply like little dots on the entire area where you have the dark circles and just blend it slightly with your finger. She's a teacher and online sessions are going on, so many hours of preparation and then classes. Maybe that's the reason that circles have just started. ज़्यादा नहीं है, किसी किसी को बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं एंड उनका कितना भी आप कंसीलर लगा लो, फाउंडेशन लगा लो, वो आपके फाउंडेशन के थ्रू डार्कनेस दिखती है, चाहे वो पिगमेंटेशन हो या अनइवन टोन हो. अगर आपका फाउंडेशन इवन नहीं दिख रहा है, इसका मतलब है आपके स्किन पे या तो अनइवन टोन है या कहीं कहीं पे आपके डार्क पैचेस हैं. तो दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट व्हिच वी हैव टू यूज फॉर हाइडिंग आवर for making our skin look flawless. Like around the mouth also she has slight uneven tone. Though she is fair, तो वो एकदम easily identify नहीं हो रहा है, but हल्का हल्का है. So see, I'm just applying it. If you just give a closer look. Now those patches it's still showing, but the moment we layer our foundation, they are all going to go away. Now when you pick your foundation, you have to know what is your skin. If you have oily skin, if you intend dry skin में कभी भी हमें वैसे products नहीं use करने चाहिए which are very mattifying, especially in winters, because then it gets stuck in the lines.
Sajna? Yeah, I think Sejal dropped. Sejal's signal dropped.
Okay. I was just wondering.
Yeah.
So Sejal has done a fabulous job, huh? Of explaining.
Let me.
Yeah, एक बार try to get in touch with her. So for everyone over here, Sejal is my niece. मेरी भतीजी है, बड़ी प्यारी सी, और देखते देखते इतनी बड़ी हो गई और इतनी खूबसूरत टिप्स दिए हैं उसने. Sajna is trying to be in touch with her. Makeup, as we all have seen, is very very individual. जो हम लोग करना चाहते हैं, जो हम एक्सेंचुएट करना चाहते हैं, वो हाईलाइट करना चाहिए, पर हम लोग जाने अनजाने में कुछ गड़बड़ कर बैठते हैं. सो आई वाज टॉकिंग टू सेजल. सो सेजल से बुआ, एक एज के बाद ना हम लोगों को सीखना चाहिए कि जो 20s में अच्छा लगता था वो 40s में और 50s में और 60s में जरूरी नहीं है वही चीजें अच्छी लगे. So we have to learn like how our clothes change with the times. Even our makeup should change. मुझे ये बात जमी, मैं कहा बेटा, it's very important that we learn and we refine the techniques of doing so. So that's why Sejal was here. Sajna, have you been able to get in touch with her? Sajna? No?
I'm trying.
Okay. All right. So the thing was that we needed to learn how to do with mature skin. जो skin, I will not call older skin. Old तो हम कभी नहीं होते, है ना? हम उतने ही रहते हैं. But slightly mature skin जब हो जाती है, so what are the tips, tools and techniques that we need to be adopting is what the session was supposed to be. And probably because of the weather, because I think weather की वजह से, so do we have any more makeup technicians अपने अपने makeup tips share करना चाहेंगे सब हमसे?
Bhabhi, we can ask them the questions if they have any questions.
Yeah.
So we can put it straight to Sejal.
Yeah.
Any kind of query about the product brand or something.
बिल्कुल. आप लोगों के जो questions हैं, meanwhile as we try, okay, she's entered the waiting room. All right. So yeah, I think we are in. She's already there. So Sejal, are you with us now? So बड़ी प्यारी सी ये लड़की एयर होस्टेस रह चुकी है, मेरी भतीजी, and she has also been associated with Devditi. एक प्रोग्राम में आई थी Pannadi, if you remember. She was with us.
Yeah, I know. She's been posting her pictures on ISC also.
Yeah.
She was there for the Odni Wala program.
She performed, and she has a beautiful, pretty young daughter also, and she's recently moved from Delhi. She's been in Delhi all this while. तो अब ये जुड़ी है हमसे इंदौर से, जितना मुझे ध्यान है. Sejal, are you there?
She's there from Indore, but she's still taking up work in Delhi. She still travels to Delhi very often for work.
बिल्कुल. तो ये लॉकडाउन के बीच में ही ये शिफ्ट हुई थी. तो and I don't know, some connectivity issues. Sejal, are you there? Okay, can we have the questions meanwhile? आप लोगों के questions हैं या आप लोग कोई अपनी मेकअप टिप शेयर करना चाहते हैं जो आप लोगों को? Okay, she's there.
There she is.
Okay, sorry, I'm so sorry. I just, as Sapna Bua was sharing, I've just come to Indore and I'm still, trying to find the best, perfect internet provider and everything. Abhi session acha ja raha tha, suddenly things stopped. So sorry about that. And thank you for such kind words. सपना हुआ देवदीदी, और जब मैं आई देवदीदी में I was just so glued कि what an amazing group of women. I was really inspired. That's why we are here today. Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, am I audible and visible now?
Yeah.
Can we continue? So we've done color correction on her skin. Now I'm going to make a foundation. अलग तरह के होते हैं. This is a cream foundation. This is like a stick foundation from Makeup Forever. There are foundations like this which are liquid foundations. Udita is being my very great help. She's a pro at these Zoom classes and I'm very new to them. So she's helping me out. This is a liquid foundation. फाउंडेशन अलग अलग तरह के होते हैं. कोई लाइट कवरेज होता है, कोई मीडियम कवरेज होता है, सम आर फुल कवरेज. So according to the requirement that we have to pick the right foundation for ourselves. Personally, I feel that after a certain age, it's good to wear the lighter makeup that we wear, especially for our face, the younger we look. जितना ज़्यादा हम अपने स्किन के फ्लॉज को छुपाने के लिए over layering करते हैं उतना 25 बढ़ना चाहिए 25. So there, now let's age gracefully. I myself am 38 and I feel very proud about it. I'm aging gracefully and seeing such amazing women which are there already in the group who take such good care of themselves. It feels very good and I also feel very inspired. So I'm using liquid foundation from Estee Lauder. आप और भी बहुत सारे brands हैं. I will share all these names later as to what are the economical brands under 1,000, above 2,000. So much information I have. I don't want to waste time right now because all that I'm always available to share. Right now we just learn how to apply the products that we already have. So I'm taking a liquid foundation on my hand and again using fingers. I'm applying it on Ardita's skin. Again, if you see, I'm going to be using my fingers to blend the foundation on her skin. Fingers, as I say, are the best tools. They have their own warmth, and because of the the heat of the body, they make it easier for us to blend the products. जो products brushes से blend नहीं होते, stuck हो जाते हैं, अगर हम fingers use करते हैं ना, because of the heat of the body, the products blend very easily. So, and you saw that I've used a very small amount of foundation for her skin. अगर हमें लगता है कि हमें और चाहिए तो we should always take in the second attempt. एक बार में बहुत ज़्यादा लेके basically skin is like a sponge. If you put it under a tap, there's a fixed amount of water the sponge is going to absorb. Want to apply, suppose we are going for a wedding and we want to apply a little heavier foundation. Don't apply it in one go. Do it in two shots. So again, I will take a little. There are certain areas which are not covered. Under eyes, I'm going to be doing now because अधिकतर लोगों को अंडर आईज में ही फाइन लाइंस की प्रॉब्लम होती है. अंडर आईज में होती है या फिर कॉर्नर ऑफ द आई में. जिस भी एरिया में आपको फाइन लाइंस है या कई लोगों को लाफ लाइंस भी आती है, उसमें हमें बहुत ज्यादा प्रोडक्ट नहीं लगाना है. अगर आपने बहुत ज्यादा प्रोडक्ट अप्लाई किया, फाइन लाइंस और ज्यादा अपीयर होगी. दे विल बिकम much more than what they are. So whenever you cover an area which has fine lines, we have to make sure that the amount of product is very less out there. So again, I'm using the fingers only and I'm blending the product. When we use the finger, the product is going to blend in seamlessly. She also has little fine lines here under eyes पे. I think most of us have fine lines either under eyes or forehead also a lot of people have. So when we apply, जैसे उदिता को भी थोड़ी सी lines हैं यहाँ पर. What I do is see, I apply and then you blend. You apply and then you blend like this. अगर हम लगा के छोड़ देंगे तो जो fine lines हैं उनमें product ज़्यादा settle हो जाएगा और फिर वो बाद में blend नहीं होता. And then it makes the skin look very heavy. Those areas जहाँ पे problem उतनी नहीं है, वो उतनी ही ज़्यादा और लगती है. There is another tool which is called a beauty blender. It's a kind of a sponge which is available. Unfortunately, I don't have mine here now.
Sejal, there's a question which says, do we have to mix moisturizer and foundation together?
Mix moisturizer and foundation. A lot of people do that, but I think that makeup doesn't set well. If we mix both of them and then do it now, it doesn't set well because.
मेरी
अभी थोड़ी देर बाद 15 मिनट में बात नहीं 15 मिनट में बात.
And then somebody is asking, which brand of eyeliner would you suggest us to use?
Maybelline is good. L'Oreal is also good. Liquid liner अगर किसी ने use करना है तो Lakme is very good. Even Color Bar is very good. इनफैक्ट कलर बार के जितने भी लाइनर प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, चाहे वो आई लाइनर हो, कलरफुल जेल लाइनर्स हैं, दे आर ऑल वेरी गुड. लिप लाइनर्स for professionally also I use all color bar liners. I don't use MAC or those high end products because they are very very expensive. One pencil is for 1500 and 2000 bucks. Color bar products are fabulous. They are for barely 500 to 600 and they are superb. So color bar is a very very good product. Okay, for people. Okay, मैंने अंडर आईज ना थोड़ी सी छोड़ दी है. I'm going to be showing something. We
Sejal, one thing also, कि generally we people wear saris or sari or your t-shirt also. Shouldn't we be putting the foundation on the base, on the neck?
What I feel is that it's good to put foundation on the face or neck, but as a professional, I feel that when we buy a foundation, we should buy a foundation that matches the neck color. That's the right way of picking up a foundation. जब हमारा face और neck का color mismatch होता है, that means that the foundation that
that's what I'm asking. We should be putting it on our neck also.
हाँ, we should. The इतना जितना जो portion दिख रहा है, that should be all one tone. It should never be different. So if your face and neck is different, then you should apply only on the center. This is again a special tip. Only on the center. Why? Because अगर हम पूरी जगह लगाएंगे तो हमारी गर्दन मोटी लगती है. अगर हम सिर्फ center में लगाएंगे, so it's going to give natural contour. The outside will be dark and the center will be lighter and highlighted. So that's the thing. Okay, for people who don't like to use foundation, a lot of people say that हमको आप पाउडर से बताओ कॉम्पैक्ट्स कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं. तो दिस इज स्टूडियो फिक्स फ्रॉम मैक. दिस इज लाइक one of my favorite products from MAC. Super product. This is a compact and it has color. All compacts have their color. That means it can be used as a foundation. आप जब CTM करते हो उसके बाद आप मॉइस्चराइजर लगा के स्किन को थोड़ी देर छोड़ दो. And if we layer our skin properly, I'm just using a brush. Compact के साथ में sponges भी आते हैं, आप उसमें भी tap करके and then you can just pack the face like this. Just take the compact and pack it like this. It's going to give you very very good coverage. And for some people who don't like to wear foundation, this is like day and evening दोनों में आप ये भी लगा सकते हो. Compact is also a kind of foundation. Nowadays, there are so many layerings going on. पहले हम foundation लगाते हैं, concealer लगाते हैं, उसके बाद compact लगाते हैं. But older times, what used to happen, they used to just do basic moisturizer लगाया और थोड़ा सा powder लगा दिया. तो comfort still of applying and then use it as a foundation. But make sure that you have done your skin preparation well and the shade that you are using is absolutely matching with your neck, and your face and neck should be matching. Second, one more thing very important, when we pick a foundation, when we go to a shop and pick up, you always should try on your jawline. The color that matches the neck and suits the best is your right shade. Never ever try foundation here. The common mistake everybody does, वो यहाँ लगा देते हैं, मैडम गोरा है, ये काला है, ये अच्छा नहीं है. We'll end up buying and wasting our money. Always try the foundation on the jawline. 3 shades आप लगाओ and see which is the best suitable as per your neck and face combination, and then we pick that one. So now my all-time favorite product, which is the Hoola bronzer. This is a fabulous contour product and this makes our face look thinner. And अगर हमें blush नहीं लगाना है, जैसे daily makeup में suppose आप morning में कोई meeting है, आपका event है, you don't want to wear too much of blush, bronzer is a must because it gives the face a 3-dimensional kind of a look. So I'm just taking a fluffy brush, I'm dipping it into the contour. आपको इस करना है? Fish face. Fish face. Okay, this is smile. Let's smile. There are 2 options. Either make a fish face or smile. The portion which is the fluffiest and the chubbiest, we will contour that. So Udita is a little conscious making the fish face, so I'll make her smile. Smile. Okay. So now I'm going to contour this entire portion. And कुछ भी नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं, बस ये product इस fluffy brush में ले रही हूँ. And from here ऊपर से जो temple of the forehead है, वहां से स्टार्ट करके towards the center, अपना head up straight. Another important tip, whenever we do our blush and contour, it should never be below this portion, the corner of the lip to the upper corner of the ear. इससे नीचे कभी भी नहीं जाना चाहिए, because that is going to create drag on the face. When we do it above, then it's going to lift your face and make the face look slimmer and younger. So this side, fine. So like this. Okay, one more thing which a lot of women after 40 start having, not actually, मैं तो वैसे भी मेरे को अभी भी से है ये double chin. I'm not even touched 40 and I already have this thing here. So tip for somebody to hide the double chin, same brush, same product, just run your brush into this and do this. जो मैं कर रही हूँ ऐसे, है ना? When you're doing your self makeup, do this. Whatever area that is visible, we will just run the brush there. तो वो सारा camouflage हो जाता है. This is an illusion that we are trying to create. Okay, so basically we just have to put the right shades at the right place to make that picture perfect. So for Udita also, see, यहाँ पर थोड़ा fat है, so I am trying to cover all that. So I will just run this product to all those portions which I want them to look thinner. So basically for her, this is entire the cheekbone वाला जो area है ना, इनका ये थोड़ा सा heavy है. तो इधर देखना. Like this. Makeup is no rocket science, you know. People make it sound पता नहीं ये करना होता है, आपने गलत कर दिया, वो कर दिया, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. It's a very simple art, and if you can cook good food, if you can cook, you can do your makeup on your own. Not run to professionals. मेरी खुद की दुकान है इसकी, but I feel that self makeup is an important thing that every woman should know. And because we don't run to professionals every day, we call them for special occasions. We don't want कि हम हर दिन, we don't have the time also, we are sitting in salon. So it's important to know these things.
I think for most of us, most important is to pick up the right product. You know, you go to a cosmetic shop, they'll give you a whole burden of things, you know, ये भी ले लीजिए, ये भी ले लीजिए. So actually the choice has, we have to be very thorough with what we are picking up.
Yes, so that's why जैसे अभी सपना बुआ was saying that makeup is a very personal choice, no? तो हमें पता होना चाहिए कि हमें खुद, when we have the basic knowledge ना, कि skin type कैसी है, eye shape कैसा है, और हमारा personal comfort कैसा है, we will never go wrong in this. And for all those who are a part of this group and of Devditi, I'm always there. I feel very happy when, you know, I'm able to help somebody, especially for these small things. These are very small tips which anytime, you know, I can share. So please feel free. वैसे भी अभी लॉकडाउन में, you know, weddings have crashed and wedding business has gone down, so I'm very much freer than what I used to be. I will revert to your messages faster, so please make good use of this time, because when we share, हमारा knowledge भी बढ़ता है. So I'm learning as I teach. That's what I feel. So now I'm using a blush. This is a palette which I usually professionally also use. Same brush which I use for contour. So अभी तक I've used only 2 brushes. 3 in fact. One was for eyebrow. If you're using a pencil, then you don't need that brush. Second is for crease blending, जो हमने eyes पे contour किया था, that was the fluffy brush, and this is the same brush for contouring and blush again. So I'm taking, okay, one more important tip before I forget. If you have chubby cheeks, you know, then we should not apply any blush which has too much of shimmer, because जैसे हम shimmer लगाएंगे, again जो हमने contouring की, वो वापस से highlight हो जाएगा. So try using blushes which are more matte rather than using shimmer. So I'm using this peach kind of a color because we are trying to achieve a day wear look. Dita, smile. Now the apple of the cheek. This is exactly where we apply, and I'm going to merge it with the contour that we've done. Again, I'm applying it like in a patting motion. If you're a beginner, if you're very new to all these kind of things, then you can do it the reverse way. जैसे हमने contouring की थी, आप ऊपर से नीचे भी लगा सकते हो. Secondly, if you have a peachish kind of a color or blush, आप contouring skip भी कर सकते हो. If you apply the blush in this way, from the temple to the cheek to here, then it's going to give you, naturally it's going to give you contouring kind of look. हमें double products use करने की जरूरत नहीं है. So this is the way. I apply very less amount right now because she's wearing. मैं दोबारा आऊंगी नहीं इनके पास में. She makes clown faces, all that. So next we are going to the lips. Thin lips, large lips, different kind of lips. People have same kind of problems. Lipstick हमारी टिकती नहीं है, लीक हो जाती है, हम खा जाते हैं lipstick. Important tip: whenever you apply lipstick, you should always use an underbase of a matte lip color. Matte के ऊपर अगर हम gloss भी लगाएंगे, it's gonna stay. If we directly apply a gloss, it's not gonna stay. I prefer using a liner first. I draw the shape like how Rekha ji used to draw it, and then fill up the entire lip, and on that apply the lip color. The lipstick stays for good 13-14 hours, and this is, I vouch for it. So we'll start doing lipstick for her. We make sure that another common problem is lipstick lips chapped हो जाते हैं, especially during winters. A lot of people have that trouble. I skipped this thing, I forgot. Lips को हमने जब CTM करते हैं तभी हमें moisturize कर देना चाहिए, so that by the time we are applying the lip color, it is the lips are ready for applying the lipstick. But we will take it on from here only. Oh, one more thing I want to share. Oh, great. I have so much things to share and I just lost track.
We'll have another session with
so
you.
Whenever we do a lip definition, yes, I'll be so happy. We'll do a glam look. Udita ko will make wear something nice or party wear. Okay, don't smile. Close your eyes. We'll always start from the center and make a cross like an X. तो जिनके सेंटर पोर्शन ज्यादा डिफाइन नहीं होते या जिनका अपर लिप पतला होता है, जब हम ऐसे एक्स बना के क्रॉस बना के हम सेंटर से स्टार्ट करते हैं, उससे हमारे लिप के शेप को डेफिनेशन मिलता है, एंड देन वी स्लोली वॉक टुवर्ड्स द आउटर कॉर्नर. ओपन योर माउथ स्लाइटली. See, when we layer the lips with a lip liner, it's giving us a double layer of color. Even if we eat food, we go to a wedding, we dance, laugh, talk for a number of hours, at least the lipstick is going to be there. Color आपका थोड़ा सा fade होता है because we are not applying it with Fevikwik. But of course, by the end of the event, by the time we are clicking selfies and pictures, at least there is color. Yeah, one more tip I wanted to share, that whenever we do heavy eye makeup, if you're doing a strong, eye makeup, then the lip color should be light. The idea is that very few people have that thing to pull it off. Ki sab kuch, loud ho, fir bhi they have that kind of charisma. Otherwise, sometimes what happens is doing too much, eyes bhi hum bahut zyada accentuate kar dete hain, lips bhi hum bahut dark kar lete hain. So always pick, pick your choice whether you want to do stronger lipstick or stronger eye makeup. If we are wearing dark colors on the eyelid, then we should wear softer, the nude or the peaches, those kind of colors. So see, I've just filled up her lips like this. Please leave it here. Okay, another product. As we were doing the natural, glowy, dewy kind of a look, there are two techniques to it, two hacks as a professional. There's a product called a setting spray. This is from Urban Decay. इसके और variants भी आते हैं अलग-अलग brands के. So if you apply a setting spray on the makeup, suppose I will just take this. जैसे हमने गुलाब जल स्प्रे किया था, उसी डिस्टेंस से जब हम सेटिंग स्प्रे करते हैं और उसके ऊपर हम लगाते हैं हाइलाइटर. दिस इज फ्रॉम मैक. दिस इज कॉल्ड सॉफ्ट एंड जेंटल. So I'm just taking brush भी यूज कर सकते हैं, इसमें हम फिंगर्स भी यूज कर सकते हैं. I'll show you one side with finger, the other side with brush. So we will apply this. Okay, we will apply this here like this. And people, there are women who love their cheeks to be glowing. so that then you can apply it on the cheek. Personally, I don't like it too much here because then it fails the purpose of contouring and applying so much of blush to make the face look thinner. तो हम लगाएंगे वहाँ जो हमारे high points है. For her, I want her face to look longer, so then I will apply slightly on the chin. This gives that dewy and very glowy kind of a look. And जब तक आपका जो spray आपने किया है वो wet है, जब तक तब आप अगर लगाओगे, so it's going to give you that, you know, naturally and glowy kind of a look. Being a professional, it's very difficult to stay away from brushes. I end up pulling out one and then I'm showing you how to use it also. Just dipping it in the product and here. Smile. See, I'll show you. अगर हम cheek पे लगाते हैं तो glowy look आता है, पर cheek पे चाबी लगते हैं. तो आपको अगर ऐसे अच्छा लगता है तो आप ऐसा करें. आपको अगर ऐसे पसंद है तो आप ऐसे. Excuse me. Again, for people who have thin lips and they want their lips to look larger, we can apply a slight amount of highlighter on the Cupid's bow. This portion is called the Cupid's bow. When we apply highlighter here, then the lips look naturally pouted. So, अगर आपके अच्छे भी हैं lips और फिर भी आप चाहते हो Angelina Jolie वाले lips, so you can apply a little highlighter on the Cupid's bow. So I have applied highlighter for Udita and what else? The lower lash line. For people who have small eyes, very small eyes, big eyes, people are very very lucky. वो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, liner लगाओ, nail लगाओ, काजल लगाओ, nail लगाओ. But जिनकी छोटी आंखें होती हैं, they really have a lot of struggle. So I'll show you a technique how to apply kajal so that the eyes look bigger than what they are. We are taking this color, this brown color, okay, on a brush like this. It's like a flat brush, and I will do it on the chin down and just look up the ceiling. I'm doing this product outside. काजल हम यूजुअली अंदर लगाते हैं ना, ऐसे पहले सुरमा कैसे लगाते थे, ऐसे करके फिर ऐसे लगाते थे. पर जब जिनकी आंखें छोटी हैं और आप चाहते हो कि आपकी आईज बड़ी लगे या बहुत बड़ी नहीं है फिर भी आपको और यू वांट टू अचीव अ बिगर आई लुक, so then you do it lower lash line से eyelashes के नीचे, not inside. Right now I'm applying a product, a powder eyeshadow, and just outside. We don't apply too much. And I'm just using this kind of a brush, small fluffy brush, and blending it. So when we apply it outside, then the eyes look bigger than what they are. You see, as actually if she's bending low now, तो उतना समझ नहीं आएगा. I'll try to click pictures and share with Sharna Di if anybody wants to see how the entire look was after we finished. Another thing, the lower lash line also we must apply mascara. So what I shared, upper lash line we look up, lower lash line we look down. So now I'm doing it for her. When we do it for someone else, it's the other way around. पर खुद के लिए जब करते हैं, so that's Just sitting on a makeup artist chair is like sitting on a doctor's seat. जो transformation होने वाला पता नहीं क्या होगा, कैसे लगेंगे. So I give like a award. I must give an award to Udita for having the courage to come and join me. I'm meeting her for the first time because I don't have too many friends in Indore right now. But she just showed me that faith, just like the entire group, whoever is here. I'm really thankful. So that's the completion of the whole look because we wanted it to be very light and natural. Also, we've not done very strong eyes. I'll try to share pictures if possible and post it on Facebook. Whoever is connected with me, you will be able to see how the end look was in pictures. Thank you so much. Any queries, anything? Do we have the
Mudita, how are you feeling? Mudita, how are you feeling? How your face is looking?
I'm feeling great.
Great. Liking yourself.
Sejal, if possible, can you share her before and after picture so that we can, She can send you a before picture tomorrow probably. Just click a picture and so that we know what is the difference between with makeup and without makeup.
Okay, I'll try because obviously she's wearing makeup for the first time, and I would really like to ask her personally मतलब later after the session. Camera में क्या होता है, बहुत सारी चीजें हम बोल नहीं पाते, हमारा comfort है या नहीं है. So let me just connect with her on this thing, and if she is comfortable, I will definitely, I'll be happy to share the pictures with everybody.
Perfect.
And, you don't
Sejal, we have lots of questions, so I would request Sapna Bhabhi to bring you on board again, just for the eye makeup, because there's lots and lots of queries. कि हमें gold pencil use करनी है, नहीं करनी है, lots of different eye shapes and everything. So we would love
absolutely.
to have you again.
Thank
Over
you
to
so
you,
much.
Bhabhi.
I would love to do another session. I'll be very happy to share more tips. The only thing is that 40 minutes, अभी तो खैर 40 minutes से ज़्यादा ही लग गया. For me, it's too less. मेरी कोई भी workshop which I do, it never goes lesser than 3 hours. We always target for 2 hours, and it is always 3.5 hours. So
because every lady has a different query, na? Every lady wants to know about herself, her eye, her cheekbones. So everybody will keep putting you questions.
Yeah, absolutely. So we can definitely plan later, मतलब whenever there is a slot available for me. And thank you so much. If there's any query, because due to lack of time, if I've not been able to answer, please feel free to get in touch with me. I will be happy to help you. And just like how Sapna Boa said.
Hi, Sejal, अब एक काम करते हैं बेटा, because as we all can see with your wealth of knowledge, और it's not doing justice कि 40 minutes में 1 घंटे में तुम्हारा वो करना, तो एक सेशन में सजना से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी, तुमसे कोऑर्डिनेट करेगी, तुम दोनों को जो कंड्यूसिव टाइम है ना, बिकॉज सजना इज हेडिंग दिस डिवीजन, तो उसको पता है कौन सा स्लॉट देना, और तुमको जब अवेलेबिलिटी हो दोनों कोऑर्डिनेट कर लो एंड प्लीज बेनिफिट, गिव अस द बेनिफिट. एंड ऑन दिस नोट हमें खत्म तो आज करना ही पड़ेगा बेटा, क्योंकि पहले से हमने प्लान नहीं कर रखा था, तो ऑल वीमेन हैव देयर ओन थिंग्स टू डू आल्सो आफ्टर दिस. And with this, I would like to end the session here. Thanking you, Sejal. I must share, Sejal मेरे cousin मामा जी की पोती है. अब मेरे मामा जी भी कैसे बने, वो मेरे मम्मी के मुंह भोले भाई थे. वो जहाँ पे मम्मी गई थी गुरुकुल में पढ़ने के लिए, मामा जी वहाँ पे अध्यापक थे, तो वेद, उपनिषद और भगवत गीता का ज्ञान उनके रोम रोम में बसा हुआ था, और वो मम्मी से बहुत बड़े थे, उनके टीचर थे, पर मम्मी ने उन्हें अपना गुरु भाई बनाया हुआ था. एंड जब से हम छोटे थे तब से हमने उन्हें मामा जी के रूप में ही जाना है. टिल द टाइम आई गॉट मैरिड, आई हैड माय बच्चेस, एंड सेजल उनकी पोती है. तो ये जिस कुल से बड़ी की बेटी है, वहाँ पे ज्ञान का भरमार है. सेजल, I this session of yours and your upbringing and you, मैं मामा जी की देन समझती हूँ मेरी लाइफ में. थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग देयर बेटा. एंड सजना तुमसे कोऑर्डिनेट कर लेगी. तुम्हारी वेल्थ ऑफ नॉलेज अगर हम लेडीज को मिल सके, एट एवरी एज वी हैव टू लर्न टू रीडिफाइन आवरसेल्व्स. सो दैट इज द इंटेंशन, अपने आप को रिडिफाइन करते हुए, खूबसूरत लगते हुए, क्योंकि हर औरत में अपनी बहुत एक सुंदरता है, एक ब्यूटी है जो सिर्फ उभारनी है ना. उस उभारने में तुम हेल्प करोगी तो तुम्हारा ये बहुत बड़ा योगदान होगा बच्चे. एंड ऑन दिस नोट एट देव दीदी, थैंक यू तहे दिल से. एंड वी थैंक मुदिता. बहुत खूबसूरत लग रही हैं आप मुदिता, बहुत ही प्यारी, बहुत प्यारी लगती हैं आप. वंडरफुल जॉब ऑन यू, एंड डेफिनेटली पिक्चर्स जरूर कीजिएगा, और नेक्स्ट सेशन में भी मुदिता को लेके आना सेशन. Okay.
Thank you.
Foundations. Thank you, beta. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for watching.